Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Riska Firdiana. I am from 12 Science 4. And in here, I will show a video about how to use therapeutic messenger. The first, plug the cable into the wall socket. The second, turn on the power button by pressing it. The third, turn on the light on the messenger by pressing the button to the left on the messenger. The fourth, place your feet on the messenger. Next, set the vibration level mode of the messenger according to your wishes. Then, set the timer mode for the time you want to message. Relax your body, feel the messenger until the message time is complete. And then, if the light of the messenger turn off, plug the cable. Finally, put back the messenger. And that's my video, and I hopefully useful. Thank you for watching our video.